How to fix EA Sports College Football 27 is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and click on verify the game files. And once this process is completed you can close Steam. Next you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. And then you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64, both of these for the redistributables. And once you install them, this will require you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, one thing you need to do is check for your GPU driver updates. So you can use the NVIDIA app if you're running an NVIDIA GPU, otherwise you can use the AMD software. And from here you want to basically check for updates and download and install the latest driver update available. And the last thing you'll need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. This should solve the crash problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe.